Hi, I'm Maggie. The Young Living Essential Oils business model supports people who want to increase their health and their wealth. Sensitive to today's economic situation, they just reduced the cost of their brand partner starter kit from $14.99 to $1. So what? So what that means is that with that investment, you can now earn 50% of the first order of anyone that you refer to Young Living. So example, somebody buys a starter bundle, which is a value over $200, but it only costs $112. You'll get $56. Do that for two people, and you'll have $112. And that's more than a 20% increase on that last final $500 you had to go on your with forward in your life. So that's just the beginning. It's not too good to be true. It is true. If you want to know more about it or get in touch with me, follow the links below. Thank you. Bye-bye.